In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is a balance sheet and how to use it in QuickBooks Online. A balance sheet is one of the most important financial statements for any business. It provides a snapshot of your company's financial position by showing what you own, what you owe, and the equity you've built. In this tutorial, we'll walk step by step through how to generate and customize a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online so you can better understand your business's financial health. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description below to create your account and follow along. Let's dive right in. First, open your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look at the left-hand panel. Click on the option labeled Reports. This will take you to the Reports section, where you can access a variety of financial statements and tools. Next, navigate to the section called Standard Reports. This is where many commonly used reports are located. To find the balance sheet, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type in Balance Sheet. QuickBooks will begin filtering results as you type. Once you see the balance sheet report in the list, click on it to open it. Now, QuickBooks will generate the balance sheet using the financial data you've already entered into the system. This may take a moment, so just wait for the report to load fully. When it's ready, you'll see a detailed breakdown of your company's assets, liabilities, and equity. At the top of the report, you'll notice a toolbar. This is where you can customize the report to fit your needs. For example, you can adjust the report period by selecting a specific date or a range of dates. Simply click the drop-down menu and choose the time frame you want to analyze. You can also modify the columns included in the report. For instance, you might want to display all data as a single total, or you could choose to include comparison columns for different periods. This can be especially helpful for tracking changes over time. Take a moment to select the options that best suit your goals. Once your settings are customized, review your balance sheet. Start by scanning the top section, which lists your assets. These are items your company owns, such as cash, accounts receivable, and property. Next, move to the middle section, which covers your liabilities. These are amounts your business owes, like loans or unpaid bills. Finally, look at the bottom section, which details your equity. This represents the value left in your business after liabilities are subtracted from assets. As you review, double-check a key principle of accounting. Your total assets should always equal the sum of your liabilities and equity. This ensures that your balance sheet is, well, balanced. If these numbers don't match, it could indicate an issue with your records. Lastly, if something seems off, double-check the report date and the included columns. Sometimes, an incorrect date range or missing data can cause discrepancies in the numbers. Make sure everything is set correctly and rerun the report if necessary. And that's it. You've successfully created, customized, and reviewed a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.